If you have a hard time turning off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone, maybe when you are done using it or when you are awake and you want to turn off the Do Not Disturb button but this seems not to work. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. So literally, Do Not Disturb is to help you focus maybe while driving or when you want to sleep for a certain period of time. You may also choose Do Not Disturb on at night when you want to have your normal sleep. And once you toggle on Do Not Disturb, you should see Do Not Disturb turned on here. Literally, to turn off Do Not Disturb, you just need to tap on this button and then tap on Do Not Disturb to turn it off. But if this is not working, every effort you made or attempt you made to turn off Do Not Disturb will not work. Here are the steps you need to take to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and click on Focus. Locate Do Not Disturb. You say Do Not Disturb is turned on. Locate this. Now come down here and tap this first. Then delete this schedule. So to delete your Do Not Disturb schedule, that is deleted. Again, come to under Do Not Disturb people, then shows that. Then click on Allow Notification From, or better still remove this. Then under Do Not Disturb Notifications, make sure you choose Allow Notifications. Again, come to Apps. If you silence your app, you want to remove the application under this section. And now come back again, come to Do Not Disturb again and click on it. You can see the Do Not Disturb is still turned on. You see is on, but now come here and tap Focus Status, which is on. Here tap Do Not Disturb, then tap turn off this. Under Focus Status, then turn off driving, turn off this. That is here for status. Then come back. Do Not Disturb is still turned on, disable across devices. Now let's swipe down. Then click on Do Not Disturb. Once you hit the Do Not Disturb button, once you click on Do Not Disturb, the Do Not Disturb function will turn off instantly. As you can see, under Settings, Focus, Do Not Disturb is no longer active. So this is because we've removed Do Not Disturb on other application that is currently using it. And if you just come here again to click on the Focus, turn on Do Not Disturb, your Do Not Disturb will be turned on. And when next you want to turn off Do Not Disturb, what you just need to do is just scroll down the control center and then tap on this icon once. There you go, your Do Not Disturb will be turned off. So this is how to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. Find this really interesting. Want to smash that button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.